Jatend migao mar Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto otelone nyasi makende mar sidho obila mane otieko tiegruok e kar tiegruok ma Embakasi e boma ma Nairobi. Ruto noten kod jalupne Rigathi Gachagua kod jatend migao mar arita Ngire Kithure Kindiki kama ne gisingo mar bero lwasi makare ne bad migao mar obila. Jatend piny nojiwo obilago ni sirkal biro sirogi makare kendo neno ni gichiwo tijgi mong'ith kendo ojiwogi ni kik gidonji e siasa.
You go forth to serve in an increasingly complex and dynamic security environment, with diverse novel threats emerging on a continuous basis to compound ordinary crime and chronic security challenges. The police service, from political and bureaucratic control by relocating the police budget from the office of the President to the office of the Inspector General. Without autonomy, the police service is vulnerable to weaponization, making it a threat instead of an asset to challenges in our security and law and order sectors. Also, the provider of comprehensive health insurance cover has been competitively contracted to ensure that all police officers and their families have access to high-quality medical services, including mental health and psychosocial support.
We commit ourselves to implement all the directives you've given to make sure that our security sector is free from engagement in political activities, to protect lives and property, to honor the Constitution of our country and the laws of our country, and to refrain from taking unlawful instructions